Guys, Green Waters. Alright. This is kind of an update, like 2 weeks. I think I did my last video 2 weeks ago. Anyways, so here's the pumpkins, doing really well in here. All cabbage, kind of see, letting these get a little bit bigger before I put them out in the garden. I learned to get them really big before I put them out in the garden so they don't die in this heat. Some more cabbage. Cabbage dying. My onion. Some flowers I'm growing. Some beans I just got from the kitchen. Some wheat. Some grass. Some more pumpkins. Different kind of pumpkins. I don't know what they're called. Here's all my clippings. That thing's dying. That thing's over there is dead. All these are mulberry trees, and you can kind of see leaves growing on them. This camera won't focus, but anyways, yeah, there's the leaves on there, like starting to come out. And these are all ash trees and all mulberry trees. And down here, I have a banana pepper that's growing. Cabbage, it's not really growing. And tomato, I wouldn't put it in here to save it because all my tomatoes in the garden dying because I went in. They were about like half the size when I put them out in the garden, so they started dying. So I took all the live ones. Alright, so let's go to my tank. Alright, well this is my tank. I do have fish in here. I have a turtle right there. I'm gonna pick him up. I'm gonna move him out so I can use the tank that these guys were in to make it more of like a house kind of thing. But I do have 2 radius lighters. I have Cosmos in here because the algae in here is getting really bad. I'm gonna head and buy a couple more Cosmos and get some of those little snails, put them in here. That's an African side neck. I have little rafts in here. And you come look in here, you can see algae right there, just kind of sitting there. That's corn. I had corn in these things, I still do. In here, but sometimes I forget to water it, and it started like kind of dying a little bit. So I just kind of stuck them on these rafts, and now they're doing a whole lot better. That's pumpkin still in here. This is my foddering system. I have a little pump. This is hooked up to this tank, which is what I have my corn in and stuff like that. Comes down to this tube, goes into this pump, up this tube, goes into here. I have a little valve. I have these on here, keeping the water from spraying up out of it, but I have holes and they go down, drop down into here, and it goes down into here, back in here. But this fell down, but I have to put that back up. Okay, here's my potatoes. There's one kind of popping up there. I threw some potatoes in here that were growing. I did have, let me see, carrots in here, but they all died. They were too soon, like what I did with the tomatoes. So I had to just transplant everything because everything seems to look a whole lot better that way. And here's some more of my clippings, but these are a little bit taller trees. I can't remember what these ones are. I know one of them's ash and one of them's mulberry. I think this one's ash tree and this one's a mulberry tree. Okay, let's go ahead and go to my garden. Alright, here's my garden. You can see my pumpkin. Some of them are dying, but I have some pretty good strong ones, like that one and that one and that one. Partially that one. It's doing pretty well. I have seeds I just got from a lemon. That's lemon seeds in there, and orange seeds in here. I put this over here so the birds wouldn't eat it. I have duckweed in here. Let me see. I have all my sunflowers. You can see they're still doing pretty good. And then I'm gonna head and plant my other pumpkins. Maybe I'm deciding if I should plant them in that row or this row. That's pretty much it. And everything's doing pretty well now. Everything's starting to warm up. But, you know, that's pretty much it. Alright, well, this is Green Waters, and this is my garden. That's pretty much it.